Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the WebSockets. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So what is WebSocket, why it is used, and how it is different from the HTTP? WebSocket is the full duplex persistent communication protocol that enables two-way interaction. So here we come with the two-way interaction. That means client and the server over a single TCP connection. Take an example of the chat applications, sports scores, or the stock prices. They updates real time within a fluctuation, right? So what does it mean? It allows real time communication without the need to constantly refresh or request the data. Perfectly suitable for the chat apps, gaming, live notifications, collaborative tools, and more. Why WebSocket used? Real-time updates like chat, stock prices, sports scores, low latency communication, efficiency data exchange without HTTP overhead, and reduce the server load compared to the polling or the long polling. So the WebSocket versus HTTP, one time versus real time, right? So if you're using the HTTP and the WebSocket, what are the differences between them? So in the HTTP, you have to request and the response, half the clicks, and the WebSocket bidirectional connection, new connection as per request. Whenever you hit the API, so you have new connection requests will go on, but in the WebSocket, it is persistent. Overhead, high headers per request. Every time you have to send the headers. But in the WebSocket, sent once. Real time, not ideal. Needs polling, right? Because every time you have to hit the API and HTTP request to get the data. But in the WebSocket, designed for the real time. Use case, APIs, WebSockets, and the form submission, that is for the HTTP. And for the WebSocket, you will go with chat, gaming, and the live feeds. So take an example of the basic chat server with the Node.js. So we have to install this WebSocket. Okay, we have a demo ready. So here you can see, and if I type the message hi, so first of all reload, and here you can see that the client connected. If I put hi over there and send, so it will message will print. Test will send. Without fluctuation, the messages are coming. Here you can see that received. Okay, so this is real time, the socket that we have implemented. Let's take an example of that one. So what we have to do, we have to go with require ws, and we have to initialize the WebSocket or server with the port. Okay, now we have a connection started. So here you can see that whenever the client is there, so it will come over that new client has been connected. Whenever we do the messages, okay, so we are going to log the message like receive the messages, and we are going to broadcast everybody. So here not to a particular person or the chat window, it's broadcasting to everyone, so everyone can see the messages. And here we have the next one, that is the HTML part. I think the HTML part would be there. So here you can see that we have a send message button, the chat. So here we do the connection part. So like this, we have to connect with the localhost 8080 port, because in this server it is running. Socket dot on open. So whenever this socket is open, so we'll print that the connected to the WebSocket. Here you can see that connected to the WebSocket whenever we open the window. Okay, when we do the message on messages, here you can see that on message event. So in this, here you can see that the message, so here we have the on message event. So here you can see that we are going to send the data, right? Whenever we do the send message, we are going to just which event I'm going to listen, that is socket dot send message. So here I'm going to send the message with the socket. Okay, so this is all lies between this, right? So send a message, when I do the send message over here, socket dot send dot message, whatever we have a message, so it will receive over here, right, on message part, and it will print, and after that we are going to broadcast to everybody. Okay, so this is what the scenario is, right? And every time whenever we have a messages, we are going to append on the li chat div, like whenever hit enter, it appends to that div. This is the code, this is that part. Okay, so this is how you can set up the basic WebSocket chat, and I hope you understand what is WebSocket, okay, and how it is different from the HTTP. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.